Hey there folks, this is Kilstamine here. So before the video starts, you can tell how much my voice has changed during this, but just wanted a quick update real quick. Me and one of my friends who are doing this voiceover just wanted to do this really quickly. I have no other hesitations of doing other voiceovers, but if it's something that I don't like, I won't do it at all, even if you try and beg me to. Please don't force me into this kind of stuff. Please and thank you. And without further that, enjoy the video. And me and one of my friends' voices just did some characters. Well, enjoy. Pretty please. Subscribe as well.
You know, it's been since a while since we've done one of these kinds of videos, right, Timothy? Same here, honestly.
God, this controls are something else.
Man, this place is amazing. Now, let's explore.
Oh, only one?
Hey, yo.
Ooh, bigger jelly bean.
Oh, aren't you a hug? Oh, no, you don't now coming.
That was tasty. Come back. Get away.
Whoa. This ain't looking good, bruh. Oh, whoa. What the hell is happening, mate? I can't run. I can't stay in this state for long. Bro, this ain't cool. This ain't cool.
Come back here, jelly. Whoa. Ooh, come back.
Now, here we are at the town. All right, let me just check myself in. There we go. All right, let's start the car. Oh my God, start the... Move it, dang it.